class. Today we will learn the third method of factorization, that is factorization by difference of 2 square. Difference of 2 square means square of a minus square of b, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here if you have x square minus y square, it will be x plus y into x minus y. Now you have already learned this formula. Now its formula is in factor form. Now let us check the questions one by one. Now number one question is factorize 9x square minus 16. So whenever you get such question, first of all you need to look for common. So here we do not find anything as common. Now if you look at this 2 properly, both the terms, they are perfect square. Square of 3 is 9, square of x is x square, and square of 4 is 16. 4 4s are 16. So 4 square means 4 into 4. So this is now according to the formula a square minus b square, so which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. Now let's check the next question. Number 2, factorize 3x square minus 75 y square. Now if you look at this two terms, x square is a perfect square, but 3 is not a perfect square. That means here we find 3 is common. So if you take a 3 common, so here you get x square minus 25 into y square. Now x square means square of x, and 25y square means square of 5y. So again this is according to the formula a square minus b square. So this will be a plus b into a minus b. Now similarly have a look at the third question. You got here 9a plus b whole cube minus 16a plus b. Now 9 is a perfect square, 3 into 3, and 16 is also a perfect square, 4 into 4. But a plus b, here we got cube, and here we got a plus b. These two are not perfect square, so we will take this out. This is common. In both we find a plus b, so we can take out a plus b common. The minimum power will come out as common. So after this we find 9a plus b square is left from 3. If 1 is out, so you get 2 minus 16. This is out. Now if you look at this two terms, they are perfect square. So square of 3 is 9, a plus b square, and this one we can write as 3 into a plus b whole square, because square of 3 is 9 and square of a plus b is a plus b square. So you get here actually 3 square into a plus b square. So we can write this as 3 into a plus b whole square. So this square is for both. Minus 16 means 4 square. Now again this is according to the formula a square minus b square. So this will be a plus b into a minus b. Now let us open the brackets. So here you get this one will be 3 into a plus 3 into b plus 4, and this is 3 into a plus 3 into b minus 4. So this 3 will multiply only a plus b. Now this is the required solution of this particular question. Now let's move on to the fourth question. Now here if you look at this term, now this 3 are perfect square. Square of 4 is 16, square of a is a square, square of b is b square, and square of 2 is 2 square, and this is not a perfect square. That means among this 4 we need to find the group here which gives a perfect square. Now if you look at this properly, if I take out minus common here, you get 4b square. Because of this minus, the sign will change. B square was minus, so it will be plus. Now this will be minus and this will be plus. Now among these 3, if you look at these two terms, they are perfect square. Square of b, b square, and square of 2, 2 square. That means this must be according to the formula either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Since here we got minus, so we'll use a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now let us check whether this particular term is according to this formula or not. If it is according to this formula, then we can write this one. Now square of b, then square of 2. So this is a square b square minus twice of b and 2 comes here, so plus 2 square. That means this is according to the formula. Suppose if I write this as a minus b whole square, so this is a square, square of a, square of b, and now here it will be twice a b. So you get 2 2s are 4b. We are getting the same term. That means this is according to the formula a minus b whole square. Because of this minus, if there is minus, you have to use minus formula. If there is plus, you have to use a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now this is according to the formula a minus b whole square. Now you can see here again these two are according to the formula a square minus b square, because here 16a square means we can write this as 4a whole square. 16 is square of 4 and a square is square of a. Now again this is according to the formula a square minus b square, so which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now open the brackets, so 4a plus b minus 2 and 4a minus of b plus 2. So if there is minus in front, it will change the sign, so b is minus and 2 is plus. Here also you could see like here we had plus sign, so it makes no difference. So after this we got minus 4, so this remains as it is. But here now there after minus there are two terms, so that's why it changes the sign. So here it is a single term, so it remains as it is. So this is the required solution of this question.